Ever wondered how to repair your credit score? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. The initial step involves requesting your credit reports from all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. These documents hold crucial details about your financial history and play a key role in determining your credit score. You need to grasp the nuances of your reports. Carefully examine them for errors. These could include incorrect balances or inaccurate records of late payments. It's to recognize these discrepancies as they can significantly impact your score. The next step is to dispute these errors. You should send comprehensive letters to the credit bureaus, detailing the mistakes and substantiating your claims with relevant documentation. This process can be time-consuming, but is essential to correcting your credit score. The next step is to tackle your debts. Prioritize those with high interest rates. However, don't overlook your other pending payments. Ensuring minimum payments on all your accounts helps maintain a positive payment history. Another key step is to regulate your credit card balances. Aim to utilize no more than 30% of your available credit. This shows lenders you are financially responsible and can manage your credit well. The final step is punctual bill payments. Make it a habit to pay your bills on time, every time. It's a simple yet effective way to improve your credit score. Remember, repairing your credit score is a gradual process. It requires patience, diligence, and consistent efforts. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier credit score. Until next time, stay savvy with your finances.